Hi everyone, it's Ecem from Mini Course Generator. As we all know, recognizing your customers throughout their product adoption journey can boost their motivation, make them feel truly valued, and improve their connection with your product. There are different ways to achieve this, but one effective and easily applicable approach is to recognize your customers' achievements as they engage with your product's educational materials. And in this video, we'll dive into why recognizing your customers can make a difference and how easily it can be done. So, imagine you provide mini courses, short lessons or video tutorials to make your customers use your product more effectively. And of course, you want your customers to complete all these materials, since the more customers complete these educational content, the higher the retention will be. So basically, motivating customers is key to higher completion rates. And naturally, a challenge arises when there's lack of recognition, as customers are less likely to complete training if they don't feel acknowledged for their efforts. So, to fix this, we can use powerful incentives like micro-credentials in the form of digital badges that celebrate achievements, whether for completing short courses or passing success thresholds. These small but powerful tokens of recognition strengthen customers' confidence in using your product, boost motivation to complete further educational materials, and lastly, build engagement by making the customers feel valued. So basically, you can think of these micro-credentials as a little thank you that keeps the customers coming back for more. But before even thinking about recognizing your customers, you might run into a different challenge. Maybe you don't even have tutorial videos or courses and your resources are limited. And this is where Mini Course Generator comes in. It allows you to create educational content quickly and easily, so you don't have to spend days or months developing it. And the best part is that Mini Course Generator also allows you to integrate digital badges into your educational content effortlessly, making the customer recognition a breeze. So now let me show you how to add a digital badge and customize it with Mini Course Generator in just a few clicks. Let's say that you created your mini course and now it's time to wrap it up in the best way possible and you want to add a digital badge. So, after your last content card, simply click on Add a Badge card. And after this, choose the condition for earning the badge, so either completion or success. And later on, customize the completion message, tailoring it for success or fail. I'll make very small changes to the default message here. I'll just say try again, perfect. And finally, add your personal touch and customize the ribbon text and the style of the badge. And I'll just choose a style. That's perfect. Okay, so now our badge is ready. Once your customers complete the mini course or pass the success threshold, they will see their badges displayed on the screen like this. And here's the best part. Customers will be able to share their badges on their socials like LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp, and more. So basically, it's a win-win. Your customers feel proud and your brand gains awareness. Micro-learning content, like mini courses paired with micro-credentials, is one of the key ingredients to effective customer training. By rewarding your customers with digital badges, you're not just giving them a nice pat on the back, but you're creating an engaging and rewarding experience. So, what are you waiting for? Start recognizing your customers with digital badges today on Mini Course Generator for free and boost your mini course completion rates, driving better product adoption. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments or questions, please drop them below and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!